Well guys, today we will see how to transfer funds from PayPal to your bank account. So as I started my PayPal application, you can see the main balance flashing over the main screen. So to transfer your balance, at first you have to set up your balance account that I already shared in the separate video whose link in the video's description you can easily check out. As we already set up, so now here from the bottom you have to select this stack like card icon and then click on add bank and link your bank account by entering its detail. After that, move back to main screen and click on transfer. Enter the amount. Here you will find two different options in the speed. If you want to receive your fund within few minutes, then you can go with first option, but keep remember this will charge you some extra fees. But if in case you don't have any urgent require of money, then you can also select the second option that will cost you 1 to 3 working days, but it doesn't cost you any kind of fees. So as I am not in hurry, so I go with second option. Even though you can check your bank account, if you want to change, you have multiple accounts, you can easily change it. Then click on transfer and successfully your fund will be transferred to your account. I hope you will find this video informative. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel.